Hi friends, this is Selva. Day by day, we are IT related content videos we are uploading. Just subscribe Selva Solution. Now we are today we are see in Outlook how to create an rules from mails to folder. Okay, just open our Outlook or Gmail. Just create a new mailbox name. I am given Silverage folder because Silverage mails mostly it's come in mail, so I separately create a new mail and moves to important. Okay, just inbox, click and select the mail ID. Just right click, create a new rule here, and from select here from and to. From is Silverage mail ID, to is already created a mailbox name Silverage. Just click OK. Now selected, done. OK. Run this rule now currently. So click OK. Run the rule. OK. Now what happened? Everything mails goes to Silverage mailbox. Check. Now I am what we do. One given to or test mail from the mail. Okay, wait a few minutes. Once refresh it or send and receive. Just given to test mail. Once where is send and receive. Click send and receive. Check now Silverage folder. Now check, it's automatically moves in Silverage. Yes, it's come. Yes. Now we have given the mail, it's automatically go to Silverage folder. Thank you friends. Thank you for watching.